Hey there. Quick question for you. Have you been working out but your stomach still won't flatten? A lot of people exercise regularly, eat better, and still struggle with belly fat. And the stomach area? That's usually the hardest place to change. The truth is, getting a flatter stomach isn't just about doing more workouts. It's about small daily habits that work together: movement, food choices, posture, and stress levels. Today, we're breaking down simple, realistic ways that can help support a flatter stomach over time. Nothing extreme, nothing complicated, just habits that fit into real life. Let's start with the first one: planking. Planking is one of the most effective exercises for core strength. It targets deep abdominal muscles that help tighten and support the stomach area. You don't need long workouts. Even short, consistent planks can make a difference when done correctly. Next comes something many people overlook: stress reduction. High stress levels can cause the body to hold on to belly fat. When stress stays high, certain hormones increase fat storage around the stomach. Simple habits like deep breathing, light stretching, or short walks can help calm the body and support better results. Now let's talk about something very basic but powerful: drinking enough water. Water helps reduce bloating, supports digestion, and keeps the body working efficiently. Sometimes what looks like belly fat is actually water retention or poor digestion. Staying hydrated helps your body flush out waste and feel lighter. Let's talk about movement, not intense workouts, but something simple that many people underestimate: walking more. Regular walking helps burn calories, improve digestion, and reduce overall body fat. It also lowers stress, which we already know plays a big role in belly fat storage. You don't need long gym sessions. Even daily walks can support a flatter stomach over time, especially when done consistently. Now let's move on to something that affects your stomach more than you might think: posture. Poor posture can make the stomach look bigger than it actually is. Slouching pushes the belly forward and weakens core muscles. Standing and sitting upright engages your core naturally and supports better muscle tone. Over time, good posture helps your stomach appear flatter and improves how your body carries itself throughout the day. Next up is something that starts on your plate: fiber. Fiber plays a major role in digestion and belly health. It helps prevent bloating, supports gut movement, and keeps you feeling full longer. When fiber intake is low, digestion slows down, which can lead to a heavier, more bloated stomach. Including fiber-rich foods regularly helps the body feel lighter and more balanced. And here's where everything starts coming together. Because when movement, posture, and fiber work together, your body responds more efficiently. But there are still a few key habits that can take these results even further. Let's talk about what you eat, starting with carbs. Cutting back on refined carbs can help reduce belly bloating. Foods like white bread, sugary snacks, and processed meals can cause water retention and make the stomach look fuller. This doesn't mean removing carbs completely, but choosing better options in smaller portions. Now let's move to something many people don't expect: Pilates. Pilates focuses on controlled movements and core engagement. It strengthens deep abdominal muscles and improves posture at the same time. When your core gets stronger from the inside, your stomach naturally looks tighter and more supported. Now let's move on to our next point: eat peanut butter. Peanut butter contains healthy fats and protein that help keep you full longer. When eaten in small amounts, it can reduce sudden hunger and prevent overeating later. This helps control calorie intake and supports a flatter stomach over time. Stick to natural peanut butter and limit the portion to 1 spoon. We've shared all these secrets with you, but there's one important thing you still need to know. Real change doesn't happen overnight, but small habits done daily do add up. If you stay consistent with what we shared today, your body will respond slowly, naturally, and safely. A flatter stomach isn't about extremes or shortcuts. It's about showing up for yourself one day at a time. Even progress you don't see yet is still progress. Keep going. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you want more simple, real-life health tips like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a new video.